Hi. In this lecture, we'll look at some of the asset transactions like intercompany transfer, intracompany transfer. And intracompany transfer is transfer of asset from one asset class to another asset class within the same company code. For example, we have a laptop, but due to some additions to it, now we want to transfer it to another asset class, personal computers. So that will be an intracompany transfer. Or there is some asset in the furniture asset class, but due to some changes in the business rules, we need to transfer the asset from furniture class to the computers. So that is again intracompany asset transfer. The other is an intercompany asset transfer. Intercompany asset transfer happens from one company code to the another company code. So the transaction code for intracompany asset transfer is ABUMN. And for intercompany asset transfer is ABT1, and we will see both in the SAP. Transaction code ABUMN. Now here we can transfer the asset to the new asset, another asset class. So let us first create another asset master record in a different asset class, AS01. So we have used asset class 3200, which is your personal computers. Let us, for our testing purpose, let's create another asset master record in asset class 3000, which is furniture fixture. And here we could office table. Account determination is still 30,000. Cost center, scenario coming from this. Save. So now we have the asset master record, again 3 lakh to in the asset class 3000, which is furniture. Let's go to intracompany asset transfer, ABUMN. So which asset we want to transfer? We have posted some acquisition in this asset. The first one, laptop. Yeah. 470, capitalization date is 4/17/2010, laptop 1. This is where we have posted the acquisition for $5,000. Make it 2010 because the change year is not been done in the system. Asset value date 2010. Tax intracompany asset transfer to an existing asset. So now we have created computer table, which is a different asset class. So from 3200 we are transferring 3000, right? Additional details. Partial transfer. Do we want to do partial transfer? We can give an amount or no. Let's do a complete transfer and do a simulation. Yes, so we see the asset gets transferred from this asset class to another asset class. 5,000 is the capitalization amount, 333 is the depreciation amount, and the same in the other asset class. Save it. With this, the asset transaction has been posted. This is the document number, and the intercompany asset transfer is complete. Now, to see more details about this asset, you can use the Asset Explorer transaction code, which is AW01N. So the asset was acquired on 4/17 and then it was retired on 4/17. We can see here. So EW01 and Asset Explorer is a very useful transaction code. Please explore it, giving the asset numbers, and you will get details about its acquisition date, retirement date, depreciation posted, depreciation planned, and so on. In the next lecture, we continue with other transactions like depreciation on the asset management.